Hey everybody, Joy here. It is Saturday afternoon, January 18, 2020. Did you know that it's going to be 1/20/2020? I guess on Monday. It's going to be 1/20/2020. How fun is that? You have your cup already? I'm having hot tea, decaf of course, in my pretty cup that the very nice lady sent me. Ah, such a pretty one. When you tip it up to your mouth, you can see these little butterflies inside. It's so cute. So, you want to know what my latest project is? No, not the pants. I started on a new one because my baby Luke was here last night. And so, you know, Glenda sent me the children's kit so I could learn how to do the elastic in the back of the pants. Turned out doing it a different way, but I'm sure the way in the book is fine too. But I thought, oh, lightning fast find. I have Luke here, and I have the children's kit. So, it wasn't easy, but I managed to measure the child. In the children's kit, there's the little pictures of the kids with the measuring tapes. It shows you how to measure them. So I measured him. And so I thought, well, should I measure him with his diaper on, with his diaper off? He's 2 years old, so I figure he's probably going to be wearing one a while longer. So, his measurements are just about 20/20/20. Like 1/20/20/20, his measurements are 20/20/20. Total cuteness. So look at the children's kit. Look at how tiny the patterns are. Isn't that cute? Isn't that so cute? So here's the deal. I don't know if I've told you guys this yet or not, but years ago, my friend Margaret sent me a car for my birthday. She texted me and said, you're going to get a really goofy present for your birthday. But I decided I wanted to get it for you. So it is a model. You don't have to build it. I mean, it came all together. It's a, I don't know what you call it, a replica, a copy, a scale model, I don't know. I don't have it here, it's at the other house. But it is exactly like my red Tahoe. I've got a 2014 red Tahoe. And so it was years ago. I've got a 2014 red Tahoe. And it was probably newer back when I got the little replica of it from Margaret. But I opened it up and Jerry just went nuts over it. He just thought that was the neatest thing on earth and he wanted one of his truck. But I never did get him one of his truck. I don't even know where Margaret got it. So anyway, it just turns out that Luke loves that car. Loves it. I think I did tell you. He carries it to bed, carries it all around the house, wants it on his high chair when he's eating. He just loves that car. So I was just sitting, he was watching Blippi or something on TV, and I was looking at him and I thought, I should make him something. I've got that children's kit. I should make him something. And so I wanted to also use my embroidery machine. You know, I've got this Solaris embroidery machine. I hardly ever use it. And I thought, okay, I want to embroider something. I want to make him a shirt. Put the two together. I went online and I looked for embroidery designs of vehicles. And I couldn't find one of the Explorer. But look what I did find. Let me hold it up close so you can see it. This is from embroiderydesigns.com. It's green here. Lauren told me that this is a Tahoe, I think she said. But I don't think he'll know. He might, goodness, if he's like his daddy knows all the cars. But it looks an awful lot like my red Explorer. So I'm going to embroider this on his shirt. It's only 3 inches by 1 inch. Oh my gosh, so that's a perfect size. So I'm going to embroider that. I'm going to make him a long sleeve t-shirt, and I'm going to embroider this on the t-shirt, but it's going to be with red thread. So it's going to be a red SUV. How fun is that? So I'm thinking this will only take, probably take me 30 minutes to draw it out. Another, I don't know how long it will take to sew out this design. It's kind of little, so by the time I'm remind my brain how you embroider something, that may be another hour. And then sew it together. So by the next time I see Pumpkin Pants, I should have a long sleeve t-shirt for him with a red SUV on the front of it. How fun will that be? I may have to make a new one every 6 months until he's 18 years old, as much as he loves that car. His mom takes him out through the garage, and he goes up to my car and practically hugs it, and she says, come on Luke, and he won't leave. And so she went in, she tried to get him, and he came running in the house to me. Not because he cares about me, he doesn't want to leave the car. I've never seen anything like that in a kid. His daddy is a caraholic. Have I mentioned that? Oh yes. He has this really cool silver truck, and I don't know what he's done with it, but I can hear him coming when he's a block away from my house. He's got all this loud stuff on it, and it's just immaculate inside and out. So he definitely gets that from his daddy, who is my oldest grandson, Boo Bear. All right, why don't I come back after a while and show you how much I've gotten done. Hold on. Okay, this is an update, and I'm not having coffee. My husband's always buying these little cups of ice cream from Braum's. He always buys vanilla, so I put some chocolate in it and some pecans. I have to have it for sustenance. This is how I lose 3 pounds in one day and gain 5 the next, y'all. I've drawn out this darling little pattern. It's so stinking cute. Let me show it to you. I'm making him a long sleeve t-shirt. So this is the front, and this is the back. The writing goes on it this way now. So the front and the back, and the sleeve, and the cup. So before I make this shirt, I'm going to go find some fabric. I imagine I've got some someplace in this house. I'm going to go find some fabric, and I'm going to cut out a big front. I'm going to cut the front out bigger than it needs to be. I'll just cut out a rectangle on the fold. And then I'll sew that little SUV on it. And then I'll line it back up with the pattern and cut it out properly and sew it together. So, won't it be fun? Won't it be fun? I think he's coming over tonight. So, I have got to finish my ice cream and get busy. I'll be back. Good morning. You can tell it's a new day, can't you? Yes, this is Sunday, the Lord's Day, January 19, 2020. I was on last night, which you've already seen, and I told you I was going to try out Glenda's children's kit. I've never used it before. I haven't had any children for a long time. So now you know I have my little great-grandbaby. I call him Pumpkin Pants. His name is Luke. And I think I told you how he's in love with my car because of the model car that my friend Margaret gave me years ago. He carries it around everywhere he goes. He wants to sleep with it and eat with it on his high chair and everything else. I wish I had the car to show you, but I don't. I should have Jerry send me a picture. I will. I'll have Jerry send me a picture, except it looks really bad right now. He's broken the little things off the top, and one of the windows is missing. But he just loves it. So, this is the shirt that I've started for him with the children's kit. You can see the car on it that I said I was going to make. It's red. Now, I did have a problem with the pattern. I'm using this fabric, and it's a stretch, but it doesn't have a lot of stretch. It just has a little, well, that's quite a bit of stretch. I'd say 20% probably. That's pretty good stretch. But I measured his head, his chest, his waist, his hips, and then his lengths. His head is 19 inches. His waist is 19 inches. So his head's as big as his waist. So when I made this according to the pattern for his size chest, which is 20, the neck was way too little. It would not stretch to 19 inches. So I just made it bigger and bigger and bigger, and I'm not going to finish it. It's going to have sleeves, it's going to have cuffs, is going to be a pullover t-shirt, but I'm not going to finish it until he comes over here and I see if this is okay for his head. I don't want to go to all the trouble of finishing this and then it won't go over his head. So that's where we are on the children's kit. So I decided I want to go to Joann Fabrics today and find some stretch denim or some stretch twill so I can make some more pants. You remember my purple pants are just a little bit high in the front, and that's because I'm always afraid they're not going to go over my belly, or they're not going to come up high enough on my sway back. But hello, that's what measurements are for, aren't they? That's what measurements are for. And Glenda said, Shane, 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 you should have told them to go by that measurement. That's why I measure it. I know, Glenda, I know. I'm so uneven. I have scoliosis. I don't know if you can all tell. You probably can tell. I kind of lean this way, see? Oh, look, my baby. This is my baby's other favorite thing. Every time he comes here, he picks up this picture. This is a picture of me and my Boo Bear when he was a little boy. The picture's dirty. This is a picture of me and my Boo Bear. I've got lots of pictures of me and my Boo Bear. That's when he was a little boy. And every time Luke comes, he goes over to the little thing that this is on, and he picks up this picture and carries it around. How on earth could he know that's his daddy? I do not know. I find it all over the house. Little kids, aren't they wonderful? Okay, what was I telling you? I don't know, my brain just skipped a beat and I don't know what I was telling you. Your pants, your pants. Trust your measurement. Trust your measurement. I measure from my belly button to my waist right here in the back, and then I added onto it. I should not have added onto it because it really would have been perfect if I'd have kept it where it came out. Okay, so I'm going to draw. I'm going to take my master pattern. Don't tell Glenda. Don't tell Glenda, promise me. You won't tell Glenda. Because I don't have any more vellum, you guys. I'm going to put my vellum down, and then I'm going to mark it where I should have with my proper crotch measurement. And then I'm going to take the thighs and the calves in maybe 2 dots. I think because I'm making it with something that has a little bit of stretch, that might add to the width of the legs, but I think the legs would be too wide anyway. So I'm going to come in several dots under my hips. We know we need it on our hips. That is not a question. I need 42 at the hips. But past my hips, I need it to get narrower and narrower. So I'm going to try to narrow my pattern a little bit. Then I'm going to bring home some brand fabric that stretches from Joann's today. And if it's not real busy, and if I can kind of hide out, I'll take some pictures. I'll take a video for you of what they have in stretch denim and stretch twill, okay? So, I guess I'll let you go. Lauren's coming over. She wants to go with me to Joann's. I am so excited that Lauren has taken to sewing and to jewelry making. Oh, it's so wonderful. I feel like God has given me a brand new daughter. I know I'm way mega years older than she is, but still. It's so nice to have somebody that enjoys being with you and enjoys doing the things that you do. I'm sure you'll all agree with me. So, when Pumpkin Pants comes and I try his shirt on, I'll be sure and take a video of that if the boy will stand still. I think when he sees the little red SUV on it, he'll do anything I want him to get this shirt. All right, pardon the cough drop, guys. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Monday. But if I can find some fabric today at Joann's that I like, and I can get it washed, and I can get my vellum adjusted, I'll show you another pair of pants tomorrow, okay? Come back and see me then. Bye for now.